Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of thermal engineering. Get ready to explore the incredible systems that keep our world running. We're talking about the power of heat and how we can use it to make our lives better. Today we'll explore some of the key energy systems that power our world. From generating electricity to keeping our homes comfortable, thermal engineering plays a crucial role. We'll uncover the science behind these systems and discover how engineers are working to make them even more efficient and sustainable. Get ready to learn about the forces that shape our world and how we can use our understanding of science to create a brighter future. Let's start with the backbone of modern society: electricity. Power generation systems are how we turn various energy sources into the electricity that powers our homes, businesses, and everything in between. One of the most common methods is using steam power plants. These plants burn fossil fuels like coal or natural gas to heat water and create steam. This high-pressure steam then spins turbines, which are connected to generators that produce electricity. And it's not all about fossil fuels. Nuclear power plants use nuclear fission to generate heat, which also produces steam to drive turbines. It's a powerful source of energy, but it also requires careful management of nuclear waste. And we can't forget about renewable energy sources. Hydroelectric power plants use the energy of flowing water to turn turbines, while solar power plants convert sunlight directly into electricity using photovoltaic cells. Wind power harnesses the kinetic energy of wind through wind turbines, and geothermal power plants tap into the Earth's internal heat to generate electricity. Each of these power generation systems has its own advantages and challenges, and engineers are constantly working to improve their efficiency and sustainability. Understanding how we generate electricity is crucial to appreciating the complex systems that power our world. From the flick of a light switch to the charging of our devices, it all starts with these incredible power generation systems. Have you ever wondered how buildings stay comfortable year-round, no matter the weather outside? That's the magic of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems, or HVAC for short. HVAC systems are like the lungs of a building, regulating temperature, humidity, and air quality to create a comfortable and healthy indoor environment. They're essential in homes, offices, schools, hospitals, and just about every building you can think of. Let's break it down. Heating systems provide warmth during colder months using furnaces, boilers, or heat pumps to raise the temperature. Cooling systems, on the other hand, use air conditioners or chillers to lower the temperature during hot weather. Ventilation is all about bringing in fresh air from outside and expelling stale air from inside. This exchange of air is crucial for maintaining good indoor air quality and preventing the buildup of pollutants. HVAC systems are complex and fascinating, and engineers are constantly working to make them more efficient and environmentally friendly. From smart thermostats that learn your preferences to energy-efficient heat pumps, the future of indoor comfort is looking bright. Imagine a world without refrigeration. Our food would spoil quickly and many life-saving medicines would be impossible to store. Thankfully, we have refrigeration systems to keep things cool and prevent spoilage. Refrigeration systems work by transferring heat away from a cold space to a warmer one. They use a refrigerant, a special fluid that can absorb and release heat as it changes state from liquid to gas and back again. Think of it like this. When you sweat, the evaporation of sweat cools your body by absorbing heat. Refrigerants work similarly, absorbing heat from the inside of a refrigerator and releasing it to the outside environment. Refrigeration systems are used in a wide range of applications, from household refrigerators and freezers to large-scale cold storage facilities for food preservation and distribution. They're also essential in medical settings for storing vaccines, blood products, and other temperature-sensitive medications. The science behind refrigeration is fascinating, and engineers are constantly working to develop more energy-efficient and environmentally friendly refrigeration systems. So next time you reach for a cold drink or a fresh ingredient from the refrigerator, take a moment to appreciate the wonders of thermal engineering at work. From the cars we drive to the smartphones we use, countless everyday products rely on industrial process heating systems. These systems provide the precise temperatures needed for various manufacturing processes, transforming raw materials into finished goods. Industrial process heating systems come in all shapes and sizes, from massive furnaces used in steel making to smaller ovens for baking and curing. They use a variety of heat sources, including natural gas, electricity, and even renewable energy sources like biomass. One example is the production of glass. Industrial furnaces heat sand, soda ash, and limestone to extremely high temperatures, melting them into a molten liquid that can be shaped and molded. Another example is the manufacturing of plastics. Process heating systems are used to melt and mold plastic resins into a wide variety of products, from bottles and containers to automotive parts and electronics. Industrial process heating is a critical aspect of modern manufacturing, and engineers are constantly working to improve the efficiency and sustainability of these systems. By optimizing heat transfer, reducing energy consumption, and exploring alternative heat sources, we can minimize the environmental impact of industrial processes. Imagine trying to power your home using only solar panels. What happens when the sun goes down or clouds block the sunlight? That's where energy storage systems come in. Energy storage is like having a giant battery for our electricity grid. It allows us to store excess energy generated from sources like solar and wind power and use it later when demand is high or generation is low. There are various types of energy storage systems, each with its own advantages. Pumped hydroelectric storage, one of the most established methods, uses excess electricity to pump water uphill to a reservoir. When energy is needed, the water flows downhill through turbines, generating electricity. Battery storage is another rapidly growing technology. Lithium-ion batteries, similar to those found in our smartphones and electric vehicles, can store large amounts of energy and release it quickly when needed. Other energy storage technologies include flywheels, which store energy mechanically in a rotating mass, and thermal energy storage, which captures heat or cold for later use. As we transition to a more sustainable energy future, energy storage systems will play an increasingly vital role in balancing energy supply and demand. Saving energy isn't just about being environmentally friendly, it also makes good economic sense. Energy efficiency and conservation systems help us reduce energy waste and lower our energy bills. One of the simplest ways to improve energy efficiency is to use energy-efficient appliances and lighting. LED light bulbs, for example, use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer. Insulation is another important factor in energy efficiency. Proper insulation in walls, attics, and floors helps prevent heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer, reducing the workload on heating and cooling systems. Smart thermostats are becoming increasingly popular for their ability to learn your temperature preferences and adjust heating and cooling accordingly. They can also be controlled remotely, allowing you to optimize energy usage even when you're away from home. From energy-efficient windows to water-saving shower heads, there are countless ways to conserve energy in our homes and buildings. By making smart choices and adopting energy-saving technologies, we can reduce our environmental impact and save money on our energy bills. As we strive to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, renewable energy systems are becoming increasingly important. These systems harness the power of nature, the sun, wind, water, and Earth's heat, to generate clean and sustainable energy. Solar energy is one of the most abundant renewable energy sources. Solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity, providing a clean and sustainable energy source for homes and businesses. Wind energy captures the kinetic energy of wind using wind turbines. As the wind blows, it spins the turbine blades, which are connected to a generator that produces electricity. Hydropower harnesses the energy of flowing water to generate electricity. Hydroelectric dams use the force of water falling from a height to spin turbines, while run-of-river systems generate electricity from the natural flow of rivers and streams. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's internal heat to generate electricity and provide heating and cooling. Geothermal power plants use steam from underground reservoirs to spin turbines, while geothermal heat pumps utilize the stable temperatures underground for efficient heating and cooling. Renewable energy systems are essential for mitigating climate change and creating a more sustainable energy future. As technology advances and costs continue to decline, renewable energy is poised to play an even greater role in powering our world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the essential energy systems in thermal engineering. From power generation to energy conservation, we've covered a lot of ground today. Remember, thermal engineering is all around us, shaping our world in countless ways. By understanding these systems, we can appreciate the ingenuity of engineers and the importance of using energy wisely. Stay tuned for more insights into the technologies that shape our world. We'll continue to explore the fascinating world of engineering, science and innovation, uncovering the wonders that make our modern lives possible.